Diwali आने वाली है, so I decided to decorate my own diyas, and today I'm going to share some diya decoration ideas with you. So here are all my plain diyas, and I'm going to do this one magenta, nice and pretty color. First we need to give them a nice colored coat. Now we need to wait for it to dry, and while it is drying, I'm going to paint some more diyas. Oh, my diyas look pretty. Now I'm going to decorate them. So with my red one, I'm going to make a flower inside with my earbud. Let's use some bright colors. I'm going to use yellow. Just put fevicol on the rim. This is my silver glitter. Now we're going to hold up on and dip it in here. Ooh, glitter is ready. Now we're going to drain out all the extra glitter, but in the bowl only. Here we are. Wow, this looks awesome. Here is our diya. But I was thinking if in our flower, we could, in these empty gaps, we could just put a few more petals. Wow, this flower looks great. This one is ready. Now let's paint another one. Here we are. This Diwali, I want to get creative with diya painting.